Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Sienna SE 8-passenger V6. This 8-passenger van is in the color pre-dawn gray mica. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and it's equipped with your Entune 3.0 app suite, including Scout GPS, NPR Radio, and weather traffic updates, all synced from your phone for the ultimate driving connectivity and comfort. Helping you into your Sienna is your handy key fob. It has the lock, the unlock, as well as your power slide doors and your power lift gate. Those power slide doors are definitely an added bonus, so you can load up the whole crew while you are getting ready to go. You do have your panic button as well. And to unlock your driver's side, press once. To unlock all 4 doors, you can press twice. You have these sweet chrome details on your handles here. Right away, you're greeted by a nice, sophisticated interior. You have your skid plates. You also do have your additional storage. You've got these sweet leather trims all throughout with that contrasting stitching, which help with your cabin road noise. You have your metallic trim with your power windows, power locks, and power adjustable side mirrors. You also do have your traction control, and you can turn the power on and off for your power doors. You have a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean, and you have a power adjustable driver and passenger seat, so everyone's riding away in the ultimate comfort. And check out these beautiful dark charcoal leather interiors with that contrasting white stitching again, tying everything together. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Sienna, simply put your foot on the brake there, key in the ignition. Your dashboard's gonna light up with that cool welcome screen. Taking a look at your blue ambient lighting, you also do have your multi-information display, which is open to your Toyota Safety Sense features. You can control these settings by your steering wheel mounted controls. You can turn on and off your things like lane departure alert or your pre-collision system, or you can set the sensitivity of those sensors on the front of your Sienna. In addition to that, you have your volume control, mode changers, voice command, and hands-free calling mounted. Plus you have your dynamic radar cruise control, which you can set your cruise control from below. It says radar ready, which is representing the distance keeping feature as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. Now on the side here, you'll find your automatic headlights and your fog lamps. You also do have your fully automatic high beams, perfect for that highway drive. You have your leather wrapped steering wheel with that leather trim all across the top of your Sienna. You have your windshield wiper for your front and rear. And taking a look at your modern styling of your touch panel display, it is equipped with your audio system here, so you have your AM FM radio. You do have a CD player on top. You've got your USB auxiliary Bluetooth audio plus your Sirius XM radio, and as you can see, you have your Slacker and NPR One radio, which is part of your Entune 3.0 app series. You have your Scout GPS, which all of these apps are synced to your phone, and you have your weather updates, your sport updates, and your traffic updates as well, just to keep you nice and connected. Now shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera pops up on this screen here. A nice standard feature in all 2018 Toyotas to keep you and everyone nice and safe. Below here you will find your tri-zone climate control, so you have your digital display with your different temperature for driver, passenger, and rear passengers. You can control your rear passenger temperature from here, and they also do have a climate control panel above the passenger behind your driver's seat here. And you have your sport drive mode with your stylish shift knob. In addition to that, you have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side with your USB auxiliary input, 12-volt DC charger. You have another 12-volt DC charger below there, and your media storage plus floor storage. Of course, additional cup holders, because sometimes you need more than one coffee that day. You have your ambient lighting inside of your cup holders on your center console. Plenty of space inside to store everything that you need. a nice, modern, sleek design. Behind your center console, you'll find a 120-volt AC plug-in plus 2 USB chargers, so everybody is all set to go for that road trip. Now on your dashboard, check out that cool leather finish, and it opens up for additional storage. You have your metallic trim, plus inside of your glove box you'll find all the manuals. You'll need to know everything there is to know about your Sienna. There's a lock there for added security, and plenty of style and functionality built right into your Sienna. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Sienna. To activate that power lift gate, simply hold that button on your fob there and it'll pop open for you. Nice convenience feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Check out all that space that's available to you in the back. On the side here, you can see that you have your strap, so you can store your 8th passenger seat, which removes and installs super easy, just like your 3rd row seating. You have your bag hooks on the back there, a nice deep compartment, and you do have your tools and your jack in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You'll find them in here. You have your 12-volt DC charger plus a cargo lamp for visibility. Now all the instructions are available to stow away your 3rd row seating, so why don't we take a look at all the cargo space. Storing away that 3rd row seating. Now check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your Sienna. Now those rear passenger seats do completely remove as well in case you need to carry any larger items in the back. Now reactivating that power lift gate, you can press that button there, or you can use your fob in case you're walking away from your Sienna. You do have a rear windshield wiper hidden underneath your spoiler details here, and you have your roof rails on top for added functionality. You have your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots, plus a handy skid plate. You have your spare tire storage hidden, tucked away underneath your Sienna over on this side, as we back up to take one more look at the back of your SE. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Sienna SE 8-passenger V6. Built right into your Sienna is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system to have you riding in the ultimate safety. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.